Good morning and welcome back to PowerTech TV. Today we have something really nice. It's a little project we've been working on for a week or so. It's a black E3. And these HSVs, they're one of our favorites. Good looking car, lots of presence, and black on black like this, fantastic. LS3 plus my favorite transmission, manual 6-speed, and previously fitted with a head cam pack. This thing rocked along all right to start with. So when it came time to supercharge it, we thought we'd go the big boy Harrop blower, the 2650. And on she goes. Again, typical Harrop Engineering product, fits, works, it's perfect. It's got bigger injectors, this version. It's got the 1000 cc's to give it plenty of scope. And eventually, when we tweak this thing up more and get the drive line just where it needs to be, it should make an easy 530, 540 real world kilowatts. At the moment, we're running it at a low boost pressure with a bigger pulley. There's still plenty to go. We're seeing about 12 PSI. This thing will drive 16 PSI, no problems at all. It's a pretty fierce unit, or has a potential to be. It's been a little bit tricky though, trying to hook this thing up through the royal black tires that are on it, because they just kind of turned to mush after one run. But yeah, it's a pretty cool package. Let's have a look at it in anger on the dyno and really stretch its legs. So, as it came in as a head and cam combo, it wasn't bad. It was a fair grunter. This thing made 350 odd kilowatts at the rear wheels, revved out nice and strong, 6,500 RPM, very nice LS3 combo. But like most people, once they get used to a head and cam, they're a little bit lethargic down low. The customer came in and said, I want more. So with the 2650 on board, we tuned it up. It's tuned on pump 98, no tricks, no E85. Bigger pulley on it, so it makes that 12 odd pounds of boost, and it just does, even with the tires screaming for dear life, it just makes a lazy 503 rear wheel kilowatts. So we have plenty more scope left in this thing. Good quality rubber, along with the smaller pulley. Our 530, 540 rear wheel kilowatt goal should be very, very attainable, and all in a nice combination that displays excellent street manners. You know, like HSV said, I just want one. Any HSV owner should have a look at this and this setup and say, I just want one too. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.